This week on Deal of the Week at SwissWatchExpo, we have a Rolex Bubbleback. The Bubblebacks were an early and really important time in Rolex's history. They were made from 1933 to 1955. This is a 1937 model, absolutely beautiful. And when Rolex first started making the automatic winding mechanical watches, they needed a way for the rotor to fit onto the back of the watch movement. So they have this domed caseback that allows movement of the rotor to freely swing and wind the watch. It also has a very domed, as you can see, acrylic plexiglass crystal. So between the two, it's a relatively thick watch with a relatively small diameter at 32 millimeters. It would fit in well as a mid-size now, a smaller man's watch or a larger watch for a woman. And it's just absolutely beautiful. It's got such a great retro look to it. The Rolex Bubbleback from 1937. Deal of the week, an extra $600 off this week only.